Kaprampi. OA ka. Guys, I'm so tired na. Hi friends, it's me. So today, it's June 11 and it's 6:50 a.m. na. And we're here right now at San Carlos Port and we're getting our tickets to Cebu. We're going to Cebu, guys, with Cheo and Magbanwa family. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Say hi, vlog!
Hi.
Can you say hi to the vlog?
Oh, Andres, parang dyan lang po sa Cebuan.
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa boat. And here is Achi eating her breakfast. Ako guys, ubos ko na. Kanina pa mga 4 a.m. Grabe. Joke. Ang mga around 6 ko bakain na ako. So, yeah, I'm just going to sleep. And that's all. Matutulog lang talaga ako here. Ang saya because it's like double deck. It has bed. So, makaka-rest talaga kami. Kaya yeah, see you in Cebu! Guys, I think you cannot hear me that well, so yeah, we're gonna eat na. I'm so excited. Alam niyo, kakakain ko lang ng lechon ng last kumain na kami ng lechon. Grabe to. But it's a must to try the Cebu's lechon. So yeah. Guys, we ordered spicy lechon and the karkar, like the normal one. The spicy is so good. Like, as in, magkumabatian nyo ko guys ha. But ang spicy guys, very... Thank you po.
Anong po kayo?
Bango.
Botong ito. Doribos. Balik nyo. Hati na galit.
Guys, they call this
Botong.
puso. Puso.
Botong.
Anong botong? It's puso, guys. Sabi nila, it is a must try then. Ay, hindi pa butante.
Dorma.
At manang isang tagabulan na sa igadalan.
Okay guys, so we're here.
At Ayala Center, Cebu.
Yeah, so time check, it's 1:35 p.m. Yeah. It's so cold here. Maya lang gindala ko ako. Ba't parang naka-super zoom yung camera? Parang hindi naman ganito kanina. So yeah. We're just gonna roam around. Hi, good afternoon. So guys, retouch time. So I'm using the Dior. I don't know this thing. This is Dior.
From Canada.
I don't know this thing, guys.
It's Dior from Canada.
So plumpy. OA sa plumpy. Hindi pa ganun ka plumpy. OA ka.
Bukas ang mall mo.
Hey guys, so we are here now sa aming Airbnb. The name of this Airbnb is Casa JJS Mani. So yeah, I'm gonna show you our room for 5 days. 5 days? 5 days and 4 nights. Hi guys, so time check. It's 4:49 p.m. And we're about to go. Pero, si Shane guys, hindi ako kapangos. Oh, Shane, sige na. So, hindi rin mo na lang. Sige na. Thank you. Say hi to my vlog.
I don't wanna say hi to the vlog. I'm playing.
Hi guys, this is my nephew. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Hi friends, so it's currently
Random stranger lang.
Ano pala, Shane?
It's 8:30.
8:30.
It's 8:30 a.m. na guys. So we're going to Cebu Safari with my family. Yeah.
Sad.
So guys, now we're going to the tours of the world. Ito siya. And I think, hindi naman to show. I think, ano ba is my show? May show kasi kuno guys. Pero, I don't know lang.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's
Time
go.
limit. May time limit tayo. God. Hala, no! Uy, may nakagawa ko. Ay!
Atong isa, oh. Basta ka tao, eh. Basta sabi yung, day. Ara, day, nagtubog tayo. Turn off the camera.
Hindi naman pala na, oo. Ito talaga daw.
Ano ba yan?
Isang post man ka mo? Dahil na ano.
Hi everyone.
Ang isa pa rin ang pa-plus dahil yung pa-plus dahil.
Perfect.
Pero may nakuha naman ko.
Now you know what to do.
Lions are actually nocturnal.
Alright, first we have here is the zebra. So it has black skin with white stripe. So they spend their day eating things and in the same time.
Smile tayo.
The difference between male and female. Yes, we have here on your right. So we have water buffalo and the drama.
Ilonggo ni gali. Na, lakat eh. Palapit di ba daw? Ay,
Hindi mapet.
Drill yan eh. Prostakyan. Ano pala lang si prostakyan?
Told you I can sound like an animal.
Ano mo kasi si Miki amal na naman siya mata to sa. Na istugan.
Ganito siya.
Wala ka mo kadakatin do. Padaw dali. Oh, picture. Una ka mo kung kabalo ka. Nakita niya sang mao.
Hi guys, so now we're going to the garden here. So ito siya. It's so ganda! Hi guys! Nakikita niyo naman na I'm so haggard. Kasi nag-walk and nalobat na yung camera. So yun, back to phone. And okay, nandito kami sa garden. Nakita niyo sa camera, diba? And it's so good here. Ang fresh and ang ganda dito. Promise. So yun lang. Just gonna update you later if ano pa mangyayari here.
Hindi pa pakalap sa galib nga tubo ka kahoy.
Oo. Mautod ka kagid.
Hello friends, so today it's Friday and it's June 13th and it's currently 8:22 p.m. and right now we're here at the mall. I'm still with my family. Hindi kami dito mag-stay. We're just gonna roam around here in Bohol. Go sa mga best spot here in Bohol. Then yun lang. Just gonna take pictures and enjoy. And babalik din kami later sa Cebu. Tapos,
Welcome to Chocolate Hills. Dito makikita na.
hey guys, so time check, it's 9:51 a.m. And we're here right now at Chocolate Hills na kami. Ay malapit, but we're gonna do ADV.
Guide mo balik ng
ATV first. So yeah, gonna bring you to my vroom vroom. Kakatapos lang po namin. I think we're gonna do after picture taking guys, is babalik na kami. Hindi ako makapag-video kasi nga nahihirapan ako mag-hold ng camera while driving. Yeah, it's so good. I love the experience guys. Ang ganda dito. We're gonna check the pictures here. Kano pong bayad?
Ay, wala kayo tala? Bart?
Wala po.
Ayos lang. Gusto nyo, ba't pag-take natin, bigay nyo sa akin, yung bayad, tapos ako na yan.
Magkano po ba?
Yung friend nila, 200 po. 200 yan. Please, magnet. Magnet sila.
Will we get one?
What is your Check nyo lang, baka gusto nyo.
Sige, sige. Kuha mo kami. Guys, we're gonna get the picture. It's 200 pesos daw. Maakit. Guys, ito yung maakitin namin. Wait lang, naroon ng payong. Ano ba yan? Basta yun. Doon sa tuk-tuk. Hey friends! So time check, it's 11:51 a.m. na. And kakatapos lang din namin mag-picture sa taas. And it's so init kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog na nagsasabi. As you can see here na meron din namang chocolate fuse. Pero hindi siya chocolate guys kasi daw, sabi daw nila, rainy day. Ano tawag dun?
Rainy day, wala nang ano, hindi na dry season. So,
Yeah. So if dry season, yun,
bumalik na.
nakikita yung chocolate na kulay nito. So, okay lang din naman. Masaya kami kasi nakita din namin siya in person. Di ba? Napapag-aralan din namin ito before. Way back elementary, since elementary, hasta lang high school.
Bigger than your brain. Each eyeball is approximately 16 millimeters in diameter. Your
Mama May,
Ay.
Coco, Inday.
Okay. Ay,
Inday. Wala ka pit.
Tapos, in their new extension of their mall, may Ara Theater.
Hey guys, so right now we're here at New Star and wala lang, we're just gonna eat lunch here. Dinner na guys! Ay! Kita mo lang, guys, no tangay kuya. We're gonna eat dinner here and wala lang. Just gonna roam around again. Guys, so may ginatulok-tulok na nasa. Kita nyo na? Ay, may ginatulok-tulok na siya. Kinakabahan na kami dito.
Order na ko sa kuya. Isang Thai pork garlic.
Sam. Hey guys! Good afternoon. So, time check. Ang pangit naman ng lighting. Time check is 3:46 p.m. na. Medyo na late kami labas kasi wala naman kaming super big errands na gagawin. Just roaming around the city of Cebu. And now we're here at Fort San Pedro. We're just passing by. Yeah.
Going to Malacanang.
Yes, we're going to Malacanang. Wala lang, ano lang kami doon. Magbe-visit lang. Reading some history. Medyo late na kaming lumabas kasi nga, nung nagpabuhol kami, early din kaming like gumising, like around 2. Kasi mga 5, aalis na kami. Medyo malayo pa kasi yung port to Bohol. Kaya ngayon, parang for today's vlog, hingal ako. Na vlog, a day pala. It's our 4th day. Bukas uuwi na din kami. For the 4th day is parang maliliit lang na clips. Kasi nga, there's Fort San Pedro. Okay naman. Kasi nga, pagod kami lahat. So, yun lang.
Ikaw, ya, wala ka yan.
Hi! Hello! Uy! Okay.
Nabot.
Oo.
Mamon accept Ferdinand Magellan here in Cebu because Ferdinand Magellan is a Portuguese and he is the leader of the Spanish.
Guys, this is the cinnamon tree.
Tapos ng mga cinnamon farm, kaya
It smells like
diba?
cinnamon. Yeah. For real, guys. It smells like cinnamon talaga. Diba, Shay?
Then after, time for
Hey guys, so we're done at we're done na here sa Malacanang. It is Malacanang daw before. Then now it is a national museum here sa Cebu. So ito siya. Kasi bawal ng video sa loob, kaya pictures lang siguro mapapashow ko sa ano yung sa loob. But if you go here in Cebu, you should go here talaga kasi like may enjoy nyo kasi
It's full of history.
yes, yun. May enjoy nyo kasi full of history siya. And you can learn something new, diba? Something new na dapat na-learn nyo na before pa. Parang ganon. So, something new sa inyo. Sa iba. And also to me, meron akong nalalaman doon nga bago. Ha? Ano? So, yun na yan. Hey friends, nakakita na kami ng kakainan. It's Hawker Chan and we're gonna grab our dinner here. So time check, it's 8:10 p.m. na. And yun, we're just waiting for our order. And yun lang. Hey friends, so for today it's June 15 and we're going home na but may pupuntahan pa kami and then we're gonna buy chicharon. We're going to Simala and yun, we're going home. Then that's all. Time check, it's 10:15. So yeah, I'll see you later guys. Hi friends. For our last day, our first stop for our last day is Taoist Temple.
Born infant. For the altar. Ang altar mo ay ito sila.
Guys, time check. It's 8:35 and we're here at Tanhay. Pero uuwi na kami, so I'm gonna end my video here. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna end my video here at Tanhay Ceiling.
Yes. Bye. Exactly. Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next video.